Thought I'd show you a quick computer room video. Here we go. Anarchy Underground, Endless Chaos. Extra stuff. Got the SX64. Got the 128 running. Can't forget they have a radio jamming. And we got the extra 128, VIC-20. This here's the 82 Commodore. Not hooked up. Got the PAL Commodore. Oh yeah, I guess I just type in run, huh? Trying to have them all run at the same time. But yeah, it's PAL Commodore there. No one actually can't confuse them. That is running on a VIC-1541. The MSD is hooked up to the VIC-20. Got the Amiga 2000. Quicks fired up. And the Amiga 500 with tons of shit piled on. All the CDs for our CD-ROM. Yeah, man. Thought I'd show you guys computer room. And you can't forget about the phone network.